In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Excel default save location. If Excel keeps trying to save your files to OneDrive and you'd rather have them saved directly to your computer by default, this quick setting change can make your workflow a lot easier. This is especially helpful if you prefer storing files in local folders, if you work offline often, or if you simply want more control over where your spreadsheets go when you hit save. To begin, open Microsoft Excel. Once you're in Excel, go to the top toolbar and click File. This opens the Backstage menu, where you'll find several settings and options related to your workbook and your Excel app in general. From there, look to the lower left side of the screen and select Options. This will open the Excel Options window. If you haven't used this menu before, don't worry. It's where many of Excel's default behaviors can be customized, including how and where files are saved. Inside the Options window, click on the Save tab. This section controls Excel's save preferences, and it's the place you need to be if OneDrive is currently being used as the default save location. Now look for the checkbox labeled Save to Computer by default. If this option is available in your version of Microsoft 365, go ahead and check it. Turning this on tells Excel to prioritize saving files to your computer instead of defaulting to cloud storage. This can be a small change, but it makes a big difference if you regularly save spreadsheets to desktop folders, shared local drives, or project directories on your device. It can also reduce the extra clicks involved when Excel tries to steer you toward OneDrive every time you save a new file. After checking that option, click OK to confirm the change and close the options window. Once that's done, Excel should now default to saving files to your computer instead of OneDrive. And that's it. The process is very simple, but it can save you time and make saving files feel much more predictable. If the Save to Computer by default option doesn't appear, that usually means it isn't available in your current version of Excel, but in supported versions, this is the setting you'll want to use. Now you know how to change the default save location in Excel so your files save to your computer by default.